Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Hey, guess what? We're working in a mobile home that has had water damage from underneath. There's a leak that was underneath, sprayed on the bottom of the floor, got held into the bottom of the plastic and held water there and damaged the bottom of this floor, so the floor is deteriorating because of that. So we have linoleum. We got to take that up because if you try to leave it, it just makes it that much harder to get apart. So we're going to take a razor knife and cut all the way around and then pull it up. So we'll get with you when we get back to done this. Well, we pulled the linoleum up, and if you notice, you can tell it's been wet. Even though it was wet from underneath, this is what will happen if you let that water stay underneath and spray the bottom of it. You won't show through the linoleum, but it's already swelling up and going down, up and down. So we're going to take all this out and make it better. Okay, Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw and think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.